Happy Friday, Timesians. This is Marwell, your English skills engineer. Before we begin, I would like to give you a short tour to the pool area of our building. We have a very interesting topic for today. It has something to do with every single word that we speak every single day. It is called parts of speech, or sometimes referred to as word classes. In taxonomy, living things are classified into kingdoms based on their characteristics, while in chemistry, elements are classified and arranged according to their properties and atomic numbers. Interestingly, in English, words are also classified according to their form and function. Now let us go back to our classroom to do the drill. I welcome you all to the TMEC classroom. In computer programming, we make use of a tool called flowchart in order to understand how does a program run. And for purposes of innovative discussions, I will make use of the same tool to present to you the different parts of speech. We begin literally from the start. And we have an input, which is the word. And the process is to classify. Some reference materials classify the parts of speech into 10. But technically, the two additions are just adjectives, the articles and the determiners. Therefore, here at TMEC, we stick to the traditional classifications, which include 8 parts. And the first one is a noun. And the second, pronoun. And we have a verb, an adjective, adverb, conjunction, preposition, and lastly, interjection. I will use the red marker in expounding the details of each of the word classifications. The noun and the pronoun are sometimes referred to as the naming words. Noun is a name for person, place, thing, and generally classified into 2, which are proper and common. Proper nouns are specific names and always begin with a capital letter. Marwell, Dubai, Philippines. The common noun for Marwell is person. Dubai's common noun is city, place. Philippines is a country. Nouns are also classified as either concrete or abstract. Pen, shirt, board. These are concrete nouns. While dreams, imaginations, thoughts, prayers are abstract nouns. After stating a noun in a speech or in a letter and we want to use it again, sometimes we make use of a replacement. And here comes the pronoun. Replaces nouns. Like I, he, she, they, it. Just like in Rochelle likes pizza and Rochelle prefers pepperoni, we can say Rochelle likes pizza and she prefers pepperoni. Next, verb. Verb is an action word. It is the basic or the simple predicate of every sentence. And a verb can be the sentence itself, just like go, live, because the subjects are implied. And this is the most confusing part of speech because it has to be conjugated. It means we have to make use of the tenses depending on the usage. And it has to agree with the subject. These two words are the modifiers. The adjective exclusively modifies a noun. So it either delimits, it describes, it makes it more interesting to the listener or to the reader. Beautiful, peaceful, three, many, happy. So these are examples of an adjective. While adverb modifies a verb, an adjective, and another adverb. Adverbs of manner and adverbs of frequency mostly end with li. Gracefully, peacefully, daily, weekly. But not all that ends with li is adverb. For example, lovely. Lovely is an adjective. But there are adverbs that do not end with li. Sometimes, never, seldom. And I hear people adverbize seldom because they think that if there is an li, that is the adverb. So sometimes they say seldomly, but that is wrong. Just say seldom. Next, conjunction and preposition are connecting words. The difference is the conjunction connects sentences, clauses, nouns and nouns, verbs and verbs together. And examples are and, or, but. So depending on the usage, it's either they correlate, they coordinate, or alternate the words or the sentences. While a preposition is used to connect and express the relation between words and other elements, like in, on, at, off, in the fridge, at the beach, by the sea. Interjections are simply words that express emotions like wow, woo, yippee. Expresses emotions. Now, having learned about the details of the word classifications, we come up with a decision if we understood the classifications. If no, then go back to the process of classifying one by one each of the words. But if yes, then we have the correct word classification. And we end. Will this program run? No, because of syntax error. Of course, no matter how much we compact the details of this topic, a single video presentation won't be enough. So we will be doing some more on the parts of the speech in the future videos.